Greens one all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Got the dollar store knife out today. I'm at the park, and I want to put an. First, I need to speak, but what I want to do is I want to do some projects with this blade here, and I've done a couple of videos with this, and they were just bad. I went and looked at them again the other day, and I was just like, what was I thinking? So I want to try to get a nice edge on the, excuse me, I was drinking a sparkling ice. So I want to try to put an edge on this and use it for future projects. This is a dollar store knife, and it's not very sharp. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. Soaking my whetstone and my puck, because I believe you soak these before you use them. If I'm wrong, I'm sure someone will correct me. And what I want to do is I'm going to sharpen this. Now, I'm no knife sharpening expert, which is why I don't do a lot of videos. I believe the green is rougher. I honestly tried to find this stone on Amazon to get the grits, and I don't remember what the grits were. So I believe the tan is the lighter grit, the green is the heavier grit. And this knife, the edge is sort of, it's not a Scandi grind, I think it's a full flat. I think, I'm not entirely sure, sorry, but I may not even use the puck, I think, we'll see. But all you do is you set the knife down and just tilt it so you feel it. I lost count. Stupid, I was thinking of something else. So I usually try to count the number of times for equal sharpening. That's 5. My leather thing keeps getting stuck in the table. I'm going to try to clean the knife off. Stainless steel, so that's a pretty good improvement. I didn't bring a towel to dry it off with. That was, well, I guess we'll just have to make do. Honestly, I'm not really expecting a perfection out of a dollar store blade, but the edge doesn't look too bad, really. I can get it sharp. I actually have a strop that I can use on it too. I've had this for quite a while. I usually sharpen my own knives at home, so I just don't do a lot of videos on it. If I can get this thing drier, I can. I might use the strop on it. Of course, you can use a belt with this too, but I happen to have this strop, so then I'll just drag it down Usually when I'm heading out, sometimes I'll just hit it with the strop a few times the night before, just any blade I bring. When it starts to get really dull from use, then I'll break out the whetstone. Alright. I don't think it looks too bad if I can get a good angle. Doesn't look too bad at all. Let's see. See how this works. Yeah, kind of rips it more, but yeah, I think he's kind of ripping it more, but it feels better. Alright, let's get this out in the woods. I may try to do some feather sticking with it on my next outing. See how the sharpening held up. And I'll catch you in the next one.